Good morning, class ninth. I welcome you all in the English session of today's English session. And we have started lesson number 8 of our supplementary book, Moments. A House is Not a Home. This is the third session of this lesson. And what we have studied yet, let's take a look into it. After leaving junior school, the author was sent to a new school. Therein he felt very isolated. He missed his old school, teachers, and friends. He used to visit his old teachers who often encouraged him. Author has a cat whom author was very attached, and cat was also very attached to the author because cat knew that the author is the only person who saved his life and giving her the good life. Up to this we have studied. Now let's continue further. My mother kept stoking the fire to keep the house nice and warm. Yes, his mother was stoking means to burn the fire, because we have studied that on Sunday when he was sitting on the dining room table, and that day was very cold and windy. So his mother was burning the fire at the fireplace just to keep the room warm. Suddenly, I smelled something strange, and suddenly, author smelled something strange, and then I noticed it. And after that, he noticed the smell. Why this smell is coming so strange? Smoke pouring in through the seams of the ceiling. He noticed that the smoke is coming into the room, getting into the room through the seams of ceiling. जो सीलिंग होती है रूम की, उस सीलिंग में से वो जो स्मोक थी, धुआं था, उसके रूम में आ रहा था. pouring means flowing in, अंदर आना. जैसे हम दूध डालते हैं ग्लास में, पानी डालते हैं ग्लास में, तो we pour that. In the same way, the author used this word here as pouring into the room. Smoke is pouring. जो smoke था, धुआं था, उसके रूम में भर रहा था. The smoke began to fill the room so quickly that we could barely see. An author said that the room was filled with smoke so quickly, इतनी जल्दी से धुआं उनके कमरे में भर गया, that we could barely see. Barely means hardly. Barely means hardly. उन्हें hardly ही कुछ दिख रहा था. Groping means to search with hands. When we are unable to see anything, what we do usually? We just imagining or assuming the things. In the same way, author groping. Tatolna you can say. Groping our way to the front door. Now author and his mother groping their way to the front door. वो ऐसे अंधेरे में ऐसे से करते हुए फ्रंट डोर की तरफ रास्ता ढूंढ रहे थे, फ्रंट डोर का. We all ran out into the front yard, and very soon they both ran out into the front yard. By the time we made our way outside, by the time means हमने अपना बाहर का रास्ता बना लिया था. The whole roof was engulfed in flames and it was spreading quickly. Engulfed means सारी रूफ में, छत में आग लग चुकी थी, भड़क चुकी थी. It was spreading quickly, and that fire was spreading so quickly, he does not know from where that fire came from. I ran to the neighbors to call the fire department. Now the author ran to the neighbors for help to call the fire department. While I watched, my mother ran back into the house, and when author went to the neighbors to just call the fire department, what he noticed that his mother ran back into the house. My mother then ran out of the house carrying a small metal box full of important documents. Now see, when his mother came back, what he noticed that she is carrying a small metal box full of important documents. She dropped the case on the lawn and in crazed state. And when she came out of the room, out of the house, she just dropped that metal box and in a crazed state ran back into the house. She dropped that box there and again ran into the house. I knew what she was after. Author said that he knew that what she was after. वो किसके पीछे भाग रही थी, वो क्या लेने गई थी अंदर. My father had died when I was young, and I was certain that she was not going to let his pictures and let us go up in flames. Now see the emotions, the sentiments of author's mother. Author's father has been died when he was very young, and his mother actually does not want her memories to burn in the fire. So she just went into the room to collect the photographs and the letters of his author's father, just to keep as a memory with her always. So she just ran into the house to collect all those memories with her. They were the only things that she had to remember him by, and these are the only things which the writer's mother has with her, just to keep the things, keep the memory alive. वो उन सभी चीज़ों को रख कर अपनी memories को हमेशा जिंदा रखना चाहती थी. Still I screamed at her, "Mom, no!" And when he noticed that his mother again entered the burning room, he just shouted, "Mama, no! Mother, no! Please don't go into the room." I was about to run after her when I felt a large hand hold me back. It was a fireman. Author said that I also wanted to run with her into the room, but a hand stopped me and grasped me. एक हाथ ने मुझे पकड़ लिया जोर से, और वो किसका हाथ था? It was a fireman, a man from the fire department. And fireman, what is the duty of a fireman? The duty of a fireman is to put out, is to extinguish the fire, बुझा देना आग को. I had not even noticed that the street had already filled with the fire trucks. Author said that he had not noticed that the street, the lane where they lived, filled with the fire trucks, because the neighbors called the fire department and the trucks from that department came into the street. I was trying to free myself from his grasp. Author said that he wanted to free himself from the hold of that fireman, yelling, and he was shouting and he was crying, "You don't understand, my mother is in there." Author was shouting at that fireman, "आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा that my mother was there in the room, I have to save her." He held on to me while other firefighters ran into the house. That same fireman held the author's hand, and one of his companion, one of his partner firefighter, ran into the house just to save his mother. He knew that I was not acting very logically, and that if he were to let go, I would run. He was right. Author said that he knew that the firefighter was doing right, because if he would leave his hand, he would run into the room. So that's why firefighter does not allow him to go into the room. "It's all right. They will get her," he said. Fireman said that सब ठीक है, वो उसे ले आएंगे, तुम चिंता मत करो. He wrapped a blanket around me and sat me down in our car. And that firefighter who grabs the author's hand, wrapped a blanket. Wrapped a blanket means just to cover around. Wrapped a blanket around the author and allow him to sit in his own car. Soon after that, a fireman emerged from our house, and as author sat into his car, he noticed that a fireman came out from his house with mom in tow and his mother. He was carrying his mother. He quickly took her over to the truck and put an oxygen mask on her, and he quickly took author's mother to the truck and put an oxygen mask on her. I ran over and hugged her. Author ran to his mother and hugged her. Hugged her means embrace her. All those times I ever argued with her. I ran over and hugged her. author ran to his mother and embraced her, hugged her. All those times I ever argued with her and hated her. Author said that whenever his mother scolded him, he argued with her. He make fight or make dispute with his mother and hated her. And when his mother tried to understand him something, tried to make his concept clear by saying some words, harsh words, he started hating her. But now he felt very sad, and he was very dejected, and all that hate vanished, disappeared at the thought of losing her. When a thought came to his mind that he is going to lose his mother, all his hate vanished from his mind. So that's why I always say in the class that try to understand the feelings of your parents. They are the really well wisher of yours. They never want anything bad for you, anything that hurts you. So here also, when author feels that, when author realizes that that his mother is going to be die, or she will know more now, he really started loving his mother. So कहते हैं ना, जब हमारे पास कोई चीज़ नहीं होती तो हमें उसकी एक्चुअल वैल्यू पता चलती है. So this is the what the author wants to say here, that when he saw that his mother is struggling for his life, he started loving his mother, and all his hate for his mother vanished. So that's all for today. In tomorrow's video, we will continue this chapter. Please, dear students, read the lesson yourself also and watch this video very carefully. Thank you. Have a great day.